Hey everyone, and welcome back to my travel vibes. Today, we're taking you to a truly world-famous spot on the coast of Sri Lanka, in the southern capital city of Galle. We're headed to the magnificent Galle Fort. It's a UNESCO World Heritage site that rises up like a giant, right on the edge of the blue Indian Ocean, holding centuries of history within its walls. First built a simple fort here, but the massive fortress we see today, that credit goes to the Dutch. Starting in 1663, they used granite, coral, and sandstone to build these giant walls and 14 massive bastions. What you're looking at is a silent testament to their incredible engineering. This UNESCO site is actually the largest remaining fortress in Asia built by European colonists. This right here is the modern symbol of Galle Fort, the lighthouse. It guided ships from the sea and stands like a guardian on the ramparts. The view here at sunset is just stunning. Inside these walls, it's not just a bunch of old buildings. These historic structures are officially protected by the government as part of this living heritage site. This is Sri Lanka's only maritime archaeology museum, and it's housed in a massive old Dutch warehouse. Inside, you can see artifacts recovered from shipwrecks, ancient trade goods, and learn all about the marine life off the southern coast. And this is the Galle National Museum. It's located in one of the oldest Dutch buildings in the fort, built back in 1656. This place is dedicated to showcasing the cultural and historical heritage of the entire southern region of Sri Lanka. Dutch Reformed Church, one of the oldest Protestant churches in Sri Lanka. Its floors are literally paved with gravestones from the Dutch colonial era. Right near the church is another piece of living history. This tree is believed to be the very first breadfruit tree introduced to Sri Lanka, planted by the Dutch themselves. Even today, it provides shade over this historic ground. As you walk down these narrow cobblestone streets, you'll see, this fort is so full of life today. It's packed with art galleries, little boutique shops, and cafes with the most amazing food, and all of it is blended perfectly with that old world architecture. Now, this is easily one of the most thrilling things you'll see in Galle Fort. These are the crazy jumpers. They leap from this high granite wall, plunging meters down into a narrow, shallow patch of water between the rocks. It's an incredible display of skill, a tradition that's been passed down through generations. Here's where history, thrill, and sports all come together, the Galle International Cricket Stadium. Watching a match here is an amazing experience, with the Indian Ocean on one side and the massive fort walls on the other. And this is what gave life to the fort, the Galle Harbor. It was a major hub for the spice trade in ancient times, and even today, it's a busy fishing and commercial port for the south. Just a short drive from the fort, up on Rumassala Hill, you'll find this stunning, bright white Japanese Peace Pagoda. Built as a monument to world peace, the view of the fort and the harbor from here is just spectacular. And right near the pagoda is the world-famous Unawatuna Beach. With its golden sand and clear blue water, this place is a paradise for anyone looking to relax and have some fun. So, as you can see, Galle Fort isn't just a fortress. It's an unforgettable experience, a mix of history, culture, thrills, sports, relaxation, and natural beauty all in one place. If you ever come to Sri Lanka, you have to make time to add the memories of this historic city to your life. Thanks for hanging out with us on my travel vibes. We'll see you on the next adventure.